This is a trend we're seeing now all across the country. We're standing here in East Harlem, or Spanish Harlem as it's called. And as you mentioned, here in New York, Latinos are dying from COVID at a rate that is twice as high as their white counterparts. But that's also happening in the Midwest. If you go to cities like Chicago, for example, 42% of the cases there are among Latino residents. And that number has doubled in just the past month. And even when you go out west, you look at states like Utah. If you look at the infection rate, that number is 5 times higher amongst Latinos than it is against their white counterparts when you look at that comparison. And the question, of course, Chuck, is why is this happening? When we've spoken to experts, they say 3 dominant factors are at play. 1, Latinos are overrepresented when it comes to service jobs that require physical contact. And 2, it's really difficult to socially distance or physically distance when many people are coming home to families where there are multiple generations living in the same home. And 3rd and finally, Chuck, it's fear. You're dealing with 20% of the Latino population that is undocumented. So, of course, there's fear about reporting their symptoms, fear about going to the doctor, and fear about questions of immigration status. Take a listen to what someone we spoke to had to say. Why do you think the Latino community is being affected by this virus in such a strong way? ¿Por qué piensa usted que la comunidad latina está afectada de una manera más grave?
La cultura nuestra es de estar en grupo, de andar en grupos siempre.
Well, our culture is about being in groups.
Vivimos en grupos.
We live in groups.
De repente en cada casa vivimos mucha cantidad de personas.
In every house, you've got a lot of people living together.
Y de paso, pues, utilizamos la mayor parte del transporte público.
And of course, many of us use public transportation. ¿Qué está pasando acá con la comunidad latina con respecto al coronavirus? What's happening here with the Latino community with respect to coronavirus?
Hay una buena cantidad de personas que son indocumentadas.
There's a huge portion of people who are undocumented.
Entonces, ¿qué es lo que sucede? Estas personas hacen el trabajo que los demás no hacen.
So what happens is they do the jobs that other people don't want to do.
Y bueno, hay que arriesgarse. Nosotros, la misma necesidad hace que las personas se arriesguen.
And so they are risking their own health. They're risking themselves.
Trabajo que los demás no quieren hacer, ahí está el latino.
And so as Latinos, we do the jobs that other people don't want to do, and we're there to do it. Chuck, that is why cities like New York and Chicago are now finding these more creative ways, maneras más creativas para reach these Latino communities, and that includes bilingual TV ads, radio ads, and a multi-million-dollar ad here in New York. Chuck?
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.